Welcome to How It's Fixed. In today's video, we will take out the steering airbag for 2015 Hyundai Sonata. To start the takeout process, we will be turning the steering 90 degrees. Right at the back, you would see there is a spot on the corner, and there we need to put a thin screwdriver inside to push the airbag bracket. Once done, you would notice the airbag losing its grip. The same we do at the bottom, pushing another airbag bracket. There you notice the airbag pulling off. Now again we turn the steering 90 degrees to push the last airbag bracket. There you notice the airbag coming out. And these are the spots we were trying to push in those holes. Once we were able to pull out the airbag completely, now we will take out the plugs you notice in the picture. Here we are demonstrating on how to take out those two plugs, and we are using a flat head thin screwdriver. And that was it. We were able to take out the airbag completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here's the section where you can watch our other DIY videos. Feel free to take a look at them, and we will catch you in the next video.